Do you have a cracked or broken taillight on your vehicle? Don't pay big bucks for a replacement lens. Fix it the fast, easy, and affordable way with the Plastic Lens Repair Kit. The Plastic Lens Repair Kit allows you to easily repair cracked or broken brake lights, signal lights, and tail lights without removing the lens housing. Each kit contains one clear, one red, and one amber lens panel constructed of 20 mil thick plastic with a heavy-duty adhesive backing. Simply remove all loose pieces and thoroughly clean the damaged area. Cut a repair piece to fit and press it firmly into place. Now you've got a sealed, weatherproof repair that prevents moisture from entering the lamp, and it's virtually undetectable. So whether you're looking for a temporary fix or a permanent repair, you won't find an easier, faster, or more affordable solution than the Plastic Lens Repair Kit.